These AI-generated ASMR videos are going viral on social media, and the best part, you can make them automatically with any object you can imagine. Glass fruits, plush toys, slimy alien eggs, you name it. If it exists in your mind, you can turn it into a viral ASMR video. So this automation lets you create either cutting ASMR or eating ASMR. So let me quickly show you how this will work once we set everything up. So we got our automation here with our form submission, and you can trigger this and then you can set any object of your choice. Let's say I'm going with glass fruits, then you can set material. I can say glass, but I also can say, for example, lava, and also a special effect, something that's happening once you bite in the object or once you cut through it. And then also we have the two styles right now. I have cutting and eating. Let's go with cutting. And also you can set the number of videos you want to generate and the background music, but that's all optional. So once we hit submit, the final product would look something like this. We set 5 videos, so we have quite some video material inside of here. So let's take a closer look how this works. So here at the beginning of our workflow, we have our form submission where we can input the ideas we want to generate videos about. We're going to get all the past videos we've done from Google Sheets, where we store the topic, the objects that it generated, and the link to the video file. We're going to aggregate them into an array and convert this to a string with this field here. So we can pass this data to the AI agent so he doesn't repeat himself, so he can find new objects to generate videos about. Then we're going to split out all these different objects that he found, and we're going to make a decision based on what you've set in the pop-up form, if it's either cutting or eating ASMR. And for both of those, we have a specialized prompt that gathers all the data about what you have set and also what the AI agent has found for new objects. And we have this for both types. And then these AI agents will create professional and optimized prompts based on your idea. It will aggregate them in this aggregator, so we can then split out each prompt to make a video about it. So here you can see we have a loop where we will format the prompt to input some information that the API we will use will need to create the videos in the style we want. Then we're going to generate these with VO3. I will show you the API I use later in the video. And then we're going to wait for 60 seconds and check the render status of the video. If it's not finished, we'll check it again after 60 seconds. So we're going to loop through this, create the videos. If we're done, we're going to continue with the next prompt, so we can combine all these videos later in this step. If we're done with all videos, let's say we've done 5 videos in a row, we're going to aggregate these videos, prepare the JSON that we need to create the scenes, and then we're going to merge it with JSON2VIDEO. So you can use this tool to merge videos, add sounds, add shadows, text effects. You can do anything with this API, and we're going to submit it with this node here. And then again, we're going to wait 20 seconds, check the JSON render status. If it's not done, we're going to check it again. If it's done, we're just fetching the video from this platform, uploading it to Google Drive, and append a new row in our Google Sheets file. So the next time we create a video, it's not a repetition of objects. Then here I have an optional step to upload it directly to Mixpost, which is a self-hosted social media management platform. There are many alternatives, you can use your own. So I will leave you a detailed guide and also this template in the video description. I will just quickly show you which things you have to change in order to make this work for you. So we have some external APIs, as I mentioned, and this includes the VO3 API we're using. So I found this tool called Kie.ai, which is extremely cheap compared to other services. I know I tested Fel.ai, FreePic, Envato. I tested many different tools, and this one was by far the cheapest. So I can show you how much this would cost you compared to the other services. So here you can see the section where you can buy credits for this API, and 8 seconds of video material comes out at about $2 of cost compared to other services like Kie.ai, where it costs you $6 for 8 seconds of video material. So this service is 1/3 of the price with the same quality. So I can highly recommend it. I'm not affiliate to them, but I just think it's a great option. So all you have to do here is go to API key, create a new API key or copy the existing one and purchase some credits for it to work. And then you're gonna use this key and go to the automation, open this node which says generate video VO free, and you're gonna set the generic auto type to bearer out and create a new key where you just input this API token that we just copied. The same thing you'll do for the second node, which checks the render status of our video. You're going to use the same authentication type and enter the same key here. Okay, so for the second tool, we're going to use JSON2VIDEO, which is a software which lets you create videos via JSON. All you gotta do is go to their website and click on get an API key, and they will send it to you per email. So once this is done, again, you're going to copy this API key and you're gonna open this node, and here you're gonna use the authentication type header out with your own key specified. So you're just gonna input X API key, and here you're gonna paste the API key you just copied. Same thing you'll do for the render status check, where we will check if the video is already finished or not. After that, all that's left to do is connect with your Google Drive. Here you also have to add an API key. I will include the link where you can do this in the description, and then you will change the parent folder ID. So you can just select a folder. This is needed to save the video in Google Drive, but you can specify your own location. This doesn't matter, as in the later step with the Google Sheets, where we append the new row in our file, we will just use the variable from Google Drive, so it does not really matter where you store them. As long as you get the link back, then we can save it in our Google Sheets file. I will put this template in the video description and add some notes so you can see what you have to exchange. I hope this helps you create these viral ASMR videos for yourself. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and see you in the next video.